In the third dance, the Shabdam, according to tradition, this is a dance where Abhinaya, or the art of gesture language, is introduced. It is only with a fringe of pure dance to embellish it. Normally the Shabdam is used to eulogize or to praise a deity. In this case, the Shabdam is a love poem. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva Nadaraja, the Lord of the Dance himself, at whose temple in the south of India, Chidambaram, the image of the dancing Shiva is awe-inspiring for people who understand the symbolism of the cosmic dance of creation and destruction, of the 5 elements that Shiva represents. In this dance, however, the language of the poetry, a poem which has been written by the Tanjore Quartet, one of the 4 brothers who lived in the 18th and 19th century and who revolutionized Bharatanatyam to what it became in the 20th century. The language is very earthy and very straightforward. 4 verses are presented, and by tradition, Shabdams will be always in Ragamalika, that is 4 different ragas are represented as well. Here, the dancer takes on the role of a young maiden who has fallen in love with Lord Shiva Nadaraja himself. And she says in this dance, in the golden hall of the universe, which is Tillai at Chidambaram, my Lord Shiva dances his dance of creation and destruction, arousing great awe in all, and arousing great love in my heart. I have kept this love for him a secret. But, oh friend, would the great one who dances the cosmic dance ever know of my love for him? In the temple of Chidambaram, there are pillars and walls bearing the evidence of the work of great artists and sculptors who have made figures of dancers. And here, my Lord Shiva dances his eternal dance. He who has the Ganges flowing from his hair, who wears a tiger skin around his waist. My Lord Shiva dances in this wonderful place, surrounded by so many devotees. Will he know of my love for him, O friend? I do not understand, says the dancer, the meaning of these philosophical terms that they say he dances the cosmic dance. What does that mean? That he dances in the sky? I do not understand these words. I'm only a simple minded person. But still, in my heart, it vexes me to think that I do not understand these words. But he has aroused such great feelings in my heart, which I myself cannot understand. But my friend, she tells Sasaki, in my sleep, I dreamt that my Lord Shiva had come to me as a bridegroom and I was the bride. He took me for his wife. In my dream, I saw the wedding ceremonial swing. I sat on the swing with him as they rocked us back and forth in the wedding ceremony. I saw the sacred fire that the priests had constructed, and they chanted the marriage ceremony. My Lord Shiva, I held on to him as we took our 7 sacred steps of marriage around the flame. This I saw in my dream. He dances to such great rhythms with that hourglass drum, which is a symbol of creation. He who dances with one leg raised into the firmament, for is he not the one who fills the firmament? With such rhythms, he's dancing, and always the goddess Shivakami is with him, so that they become one as Ardhanarishwara. She will not be parted from him. He who is half goddess and half Shiva. So, would he ever part from her and come to me? Friend, please, somebody convey this message of love to him and make him understand of my great love for Lord Shiva Nataraja. Thillai Ambalam.
மொழி